The wings of a bird and the wings of insect are option A, homologous structures and represent divergent evolution. Option B, analogous structures and represent convergent evolution. Option C, phylogenetic structures and represent divergent evolution. Option D, homologous structures and represent convergent evolution. So here the wings of birds and wings of the insects, these two are analogous in nature. That is because here, so wings of the bird as well as wings of insects, both are meant for the flight. The function is same, but their origin is different. Where wings of birds, it has a bony anatomy, whereas in case of insects, it is derived from the integuments. So hence the correct option here is option B. That is, these are analogous structures and represents the convergent evolution.